Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to Solution Seekers Hub. And today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular email marketing platforms, Mailchimp and MailerLite. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, choosing the right platform can significantly impact your email campaigns. Let's explore the pros, the cons, and the standout features of both Mailchimp and MailerLite. First up is Mailchimp. Mailchimp has become a household name in the email marketing industry. Known for its robust features, extensive template library, and powerful automation tools, Mailchimp serves businesses of all sizes. With a user base ranging from startups to large enterprises, it's recognized for its flexibility and scalability. Mailchimp boasts an intuitive and user-friendly interface. With drag-and-drop functionality, creating visually appealing emails is a breeze. Mailchimp offers robust automation features, allowing you to create complex workflows and nurture your leads through targeted campaigns, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of Mailchimp is its vast template library. With a wide range of professionally designed templates, you can easily find one that suits your brand and message. Mailchimp seamlessly integrates with numerous third-party apps and services, providing flexibility and ensuring your email marketing efforts are part of a broader, cohesive strategy. When it comes to tracking your campaign performance, Mailchimp offers robust analytics tools. From open rates to click-through rates, you get detailed insights to refine your future campaigns. But on the other hand, while Mailchimp does offer a free plan, its pricing can become steep as your subscriber list grows. Smaller businesses might find the cost scalability challenging. For beginners, Mailchimp might have a steeper learning curve compared to simpler platforms. The wealth of features can be overwhelming initially. The free plan of Mailchimp has limitations on the number of emails you can send and lacks certain advanced features, making it less suitable for growing businesses. Now let's talk about MailerLite. MailerLite has gained popularity for its affordability, simplicity, and user-friendly approach. Catering predominantly to small and medium-sized businesses, MailerLite positions itself as an accessible option for those who prioritize ease of use without sacrificing essential features. Starting with affordability, MailerLite offers competitive pricing plans, making it an attractive choice for small businesses and startups on a budget. MailerLite's user interface is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to navigate and set up their email campaigns without feeling overwhelmed. MailerLite stands out by offering A/B testing even on its free plan, allowing users to optimize their campaigns and improve engagement without need for an upgrade. Unlike Mailchimp, MailerLite comes with a built-in photo editing tool, streamlining the process of customizing images for your emails directly within the platform. MailerLite is known for its responsive customer support, ensuring the users can get assistance promptly, which is crucial for troubleshooting and problem resolution. But on the other hand, while MailerLite does provide templates, the library is not as extensive as Mailchimp's, potentially limiting design options for users seeking diverse visual styles. While MailerLite offers automation, some users find its capabilities less advanced than Mailchimp, making it less suitable for complex automation workflows. Although MailerLite integrates with popular apps, its integration option might be more limited compared to Mailchimp, especially for users with specific third-party software preferences. All in all, both Mailchimp and MailerLite have their strengths and weaknesses. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, budget, and the level of complexity you require in your email marketing campaigns. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.